you recording?
Yep, did you get the knife? Okay.
Hi Twilight! We just got them today. And here we go.
What we got were phoenixes from Twilight Sing on DeviantArt. They're shoulder puppets. One's a nighttime phoenix and one's a daytime phoenix.
Here's her cards.
Certificate of adoption.
Okay.
Orion.
So it's got to be Orion.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, buddy, you're tightly wrapped there.
He got in a tight place.
Okay. This has got to be Orion then. Mm-hmm. Or Aurora. We don't know. Okay.
We also had Twilight Saint put fancy foam wings on a wood-baby puppet after the Midsummer's Night's Dream. Told us that after they made the other Phoenix that we returned, that they will stop doing business with us altogether. Oh, a bigger mystery.
Wow, Twilight, you make sure that we don't know who it is. It's Orion!
Yay! I guess I was right.
Ooh. Wow. Oh, she's even signed it.
Oh, that's cool.
This is Orion.
Signed by the artist.
This is Orion, and he's a nighttime phoenix.
He got the job back, curly hair on top, but we can fix that, as Twilight Saint said. Ooh, he moves very nice.
As you see.
Yeah, very nice.
He is named after the hunter in the night sky.
Boy, he's even beautiful in person.
I know, he's nice and soft too.
We do not know what
Aurora or...
Well, we do not know what Star is going to look like because she never sent pictures. She sent sneak pictures of Aurora and Orion, but not of Star, the wood baby puppet that we got her to do the feathers on, no, the wings on. So I will save Star for last. I'm cutting your lifeline, sorry, Star.
Okay, this is a little magnet. Oh, it's much nicer than Midsummer's Night's Dream. Now he moves very well, Twilight.
This is Christmas morning, September 11th, 2012. It is a somber day of remembrance of the 9/11 attacks. So,
But Twilight, he is absolutely gorgeous. Thank you.
yeah.
You did that line art. You interpreted that line art very well. And he's lightweight too.
Here are the two line arts that Twilight Saint sent our way. And we colored them in like little children, all giggly and happy.
Of course, we did.
So, we're like, yay! But my wife wanted me to color in the lines, so I couldn't go outside the lines. Otherwise, it'd just look like the Phoenix that we got from Midsummer's Night's Dream with a nuclear explosion to the page. Poor luck colors, but my niece did some pretty colorful colorings of the pages. Hers looked a lot better than the Phoenix we got from Midsummer's Night's Dream.
And what's nice about this is clear resin and it's very light. I hardly feel them on my shoulders. That's a good thing.
Where did you get the magnet from? Was in the... Oh, it was on top of...
It was with them.
Makes sense.
Ooh. And we found out that Orion and the goddess Aurora were lovers. Oh my god. Woo! Wow, Twilight, she is gorgeous.
Yeah, you can smell the resin.
But that's not too bad.
No. Oh, head dive.
No, it's not. And no offense, they move a lot better than Midsummer's Night's Dreams puppets.
Yeah.
Very smooth.
And the phoenixes look better than.
And they actually do look like being like birds.
Yeah, long tail.
That's not too bad. This is Orion. He's got 1 full moon and 2 crescent moons. Oops. These are his eyes.
Yeah, I think it was fate that we had what happened at Midsummer's Night's Dream and found Twilight Saint. So we had a lot of emails between us and her, and it was very happy occasions. It wasn't a fuss over them answering my email, especially when the secretary of Midsummer's Night's Dream blocked me on Facebook and wouldn't talk to me unless I had money to give to them for the puppet that I was wanting to custom make. I was doing good buying stock puppets from them, but then when I started trying to do custom orders with the secretary blocking me from her Facebook and not wanting me to talk to her, that was already strike 1 on my part.
And we got a note from Twilight Saint.
Oh, cool.
And it's really pretty done. She goes, "Hello, Travis and Heather. Wow, does it seem all that long ago? You first contacted me
Back in June before she took off to Israel on an archaeological
and we
dig in
began
July.
working all on the tail." This is very, very cursive-y writing.
Slicer! Ah, failed slicer. Slicer. There we go.
But, like I said, she gives you business cards, which we'll be enjoying very well. Thank you, Twilight.
Here's the big reveal of Star.
And also we got adoption certificates. And we got little instructions. Alright, here we go. Oh my goodness, Star.
She got a broken ear hair. Ear cuff.
That's okay. Gives her character.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, Star. The phone wings a little bit, but that's okay.
Yeah.
Makes it look like it's arched.
I can always glue this wing tuft up further.
That's fine. Oh my goodness, Star. Wow, that Star, our wood baby puppet. Oh, I have one more thing.
So I'm not trying to say to boycott Midsummer's Night's Dream, it's just I didn't have a good experience with them and voicing my freedom
Opinion.
of speech, so.
These are the necklaces I made for Orion and Aurora. Here's the moon for Orion. Here's the star. Here's the sun for Aurora. And the stone at the end of this one is the brown gold stone, and this is the blue gold stone. Okay, and they're going to be one at a time because this is Orion's. Oops. Almost popped out a feather there. See? A little difficult, but I can get it. Okay. There's Orion's. it too far down?
No, perfect.
Okay. And since on the instructions saying they like to be dressed up, that's what I'm doing. I'm dressing them up. And that's Aurora's. Thanks. Once again, thank you. Once again, thank you, Twilight. Your customer service is excellent. And right now we are doing business again with her.
We'll attempt to. I have to come up with the funds first,
But she does do commissions, so hopefully I can get a commission puppet from her. So, alright. I guess this is time to sign off. Bye, Twilight. Thank
Goodbye.
you.